In the world of decision-making, Pareto analysis is like a magnifying glass that helps you zoom in on the most impactful causes behind problems or successes. Based on the 80-20 rule, it shows that 80% of results come from just 20% of the causes. This tool helps businesses focus on what truly matters, ensuring resources are used wisely to drive meaningful improvements with minimal effort. Steps of Pareto analysis. First, clearly define the issue you're facing, like a drop in product quality or more customer complaints. Second, identify all potential factors contributing to the problem through brainstorming or data collection. Third, evaluate and rank the causes based on their impact or severity. 4. Identify the vital few that account for most of the issue, usually 80% of the impact. 5th, develop a strategy to address the most critical causes, using resources and solutions that will have the greatest effect. Why it's important: it highlights the key issues that make the biggest difference. Helps allocate time, effort, and money where they'll have the most impact. Tackle the biggest challenges first for quicker solutions. Prioritize decisions that drive meaningful change. Common areas of use: customer service, quality control, sales and marketing, project management, supply chain management, human resources, and financial management. By focusing on the vital few, Pareto analysis helps you achieve more with less, making your efforts count where it matters most.